In this video, I will show you how to share your Google Calendar with others. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up Google Calendar. You can do this both on your phone or your computer. I'm just gonna quickly show you how to do it from your desktop. So what you're gonna do is right here, of course, you're gonna see every single thing or event that you have booked on your calendar. We're not gonna concentrate on that. We're gonna move over to the left where you see this option where you can tell that all your calendars are. So for example, I have 3 different calendars. I have one for my personal task. I have one that I think actually Google creates for you, which is birthdays, and then task, so everyday task. So if I want to share my personal calendar and every single event that's inside of it, what I'm going to do is simply click on it and I'm going to select settings and sharing. Now that you're inside the settings for your calendar, go ahead and select share with. And now you can add the email account of the person or your team member, whoever it is, that you wish to share your calendar with. So after you add the information of the people that you wish to share your calendar with, you're gonna give them a permission level. So you have 4 different options. You can give them the option to only see when you're free or busy, but you can hide all the other details or your events. You can have them see all the events details. So for example, if you have a virtual assistant, you can also give them the possibility to make changes to any events that you have and also to make the changes and manage sharing. So select your pick and after you're done, you can click on send. And that's it. Now you have shared your Gmail calendar with someone else. I hope this video helped you. Bye.